Okay.
Hi.
And today we're playing Dead Rails with Timmy and a cowboy
Yeah.
who's black.
That's racist.
All right.
Okay, let's start. Let's
Timmy's mic is kind of
go.
broken.
Yeah, probably.
Timmy, can you talk?
Yes. Oh.
Timmy, are you talking?
Yes, I am talking.
Okay, Timmy's mic has fixed.
Yeah. Micah's Timmy.
Timmy, he likes to be a little bit. He likes to be a little bit of a derp,
Oh.
but he is. So,
Ha! Dancer poet.
okay, let's go. Playing with Timmy. Now,
Got it.
Timmy,
Got it,
even though he's not that smart, we're gonna teach him.
Oh yeah. So
That's Kevin's younger bro. Yeah, younger.
Timmy, drag that gold bar and sell a lot of money. What?
All right, we must get.
I took this money, but Kevin took it
You
at
get
the
the
very
weapons.
second.
You get the weapons.
Okay, yeah, no.
Buy
Get
one coal and then get weapons.
Yeah, get coal. We need like 3 coals to get full fuel. Yeah, Timmy.
I get one more then.
Hey, okay, go get a weapon. You need a weapon.
Vincent, buy it.
What?
Like fuel.
Oh, Timmy already bought one, so let me just buy some.
No, we need like full fuel. We need like full fuel. And Kevin
Sure.
has like 50 more.
Just buy this one.
Just buy it.
Revolver.
Yeah, you can buy a revolver.
Get the ammo.
I know. How do I get the ammo?
You have to press collect.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go,
guys.
Jesus, loud. Anyway.
Alright, let's go. 3,
Let's
2,
do
1,
this.
go.
Oh, Kevin, why you push me? Don't.
Alright, we are off.
Don't even dare waste that ammo, you gobble goo.
Okay, whatever.
Alright, we found our first house.
Let's go.
Timmy, come on, let's go. Now be careful, there might be zombies. So what you want to do is hit them through the wall, Timmy. Okay?
Get the yeah. And
Use your shovel.
Guys, be slave. Why do I say that? I was
Let
about
me also. You can actually sell the barrel as well.
Oh my god. Die.
Let me get that. Someone help me! Oh my god. Someone get. I'm the only one who's getting fuel.
I'm down with oil and dead bodies.
We just looted the whole place. So let's keep going.
Yeah. Until big buff werewolf. Timmy, just turn around for a second.
Wait, what?
Let's do this.
Dude.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. There you go. We got.
Go.
Yes, sir. We got full fuel.
Why you on your screen? I'm on my screen.
Oh.
What if I just jump off the screen right now?
Okay. Well, I see a white horse.
Wait, that might be a unicorn.
Wait, what?
Yeah, there's unicorns in.
Also, this is a
I didn't know that. I didn't know that unicorns live in deserts.
Also, we're back to a house. So, should we go over there?
Oh my gosh, no way, it's a unicorn.
What? No way.
Actually, never mind. It's not a unicorn, it's just a...
Oh. It's a-
Well, that was a waste of...
It's just a normal horse.
Alright, let's go loot that nearby house.
Did you know that there's actually a white horse?
Wow.
Not a unicorn, because unicorns have horns.
Oh, no, you don't. Oh,
Timmy,
crap.
watch out.
Nah, he's got it. He got it. He got it.
Alright, that took me like 1 minute just to get back.
Yeah, what a waste of time to find out flipping unicorn, even though it's just a normal horse.
Let me wait. If you can actually sell, you can actually sell the barrel. You know, you can actually sell it.
Ooh.
Oh.
Crap.
I took all your stuff.
I have a painting with me,
Yeah, I know.
made by the one and only Bob Ross.
You have a painting with Napoleon.
It's the
Yeah.
Rob Ross.
Yes. What's this show? German war, don't ever.
Roblox.
Ooh, jump.
I'm all dead. I'm
Oh,
just good.
nice. Go.
Bro, last time I played this, there was like a bunch of there was like two werewolves.
Yes,
Oh my gosh, I almost fell off.
what are you doing? Why are you on the train?
Cause
Miguel, I
can.
Miguel, I can't see. Actually, I can't see.
I don't care. You'll be blind this time.
Stop it! Why blackness?
Well, you'll be blind. We'll be blind by a man. Wait, you guys can see me? Wait, you guys can see me?
Yes! We can see you!
We can't see.
Shorts! Ooh, guys!
I thought the shorts will be very black.
There might be guns over there.
No, let's not go. There's too many zombies.
Kevin, can you still see me? Kevin, can you still see
Fine,
me?
let's go. If we die, that's your problem.
You gosh dang
Go! Never mind. Let's go. Let's just go.
Kevin! You left about Kevin!
I thought you said Timmy.
Oh yeah.
You got him.
I got him! I got the wolf! Wait, Smelly,
He got him.
I can't
He gets
collect
to
it.
claim it. He gets to store it.
Listen.
Bruh, Vincent, you left Timmy!
Yeah, we left Timmy. We can't go to any houses because it's too late.
Yeah, good job, Vincent, for lefting Timmy.
Oh gosh, there's another.
What?
You know what? Do not shoot him. Do not shoot him.
Yeah, he will catch us fast like Flash.
Where did Timmy go? Oh, you're there. Man, you literally like jump scared me.
Oh, blind!
How? Oh my god, bro, you scared me.
Don't even dare go in there, Kevin.
This sucks.
Oh gosh, there's so many zombies.
There's bandits! There's bandits! Timmy, what now?
Well, just don't shoot him. Don't shoot him.
Oh, a house! It's daytime!
We made it.
There's bandits!
Wait. Let's wait until the cowboy comes.
I forgot, there's bandits catching us. Oh,
Hey, bandit, would you like to come after us? There's totally not like a bunch of turrets that can probably.
Whatever. One of you have. Oh my god.
Bro, what's the point with the trading post being here if there's like, okay, let me sell my stuff.
You have $5.
No, okay, move out of the way. I'm scared that you're gonna take it from me.
I knew it's $5. I knew it was $5.
I know.
Horse?
Wait.
I got a horse.
What the heck? What the heck?
You know what?
How do you even got a horse?
I got a horse.
Wait, let me get the horse. Vincent, what are you doing? Stop the
Okay,
train!
we can probably hit the horse so we can earn fuel from it.
Oh, I just killed him.
Free fuel.
Wait, what? Wait, is it valuable?
Wait,
No,
wait, there's another horse.
And I killed the horse.
What's
And
another-
I killed the horse.
Do not send this to PETA.
Horse?
Do not send this to PETA.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Kill horse.
Get him! Get him! Oh my
Free
god!
fuel.
I picked up the black horse.
Oh, that's so racist.
Oh my gosh, Timmy, how could you do that?
What do you mean? Wait, you told me to do it.
Hey, we need more fuel.
Kevin, you killed my pet. How dare you? How dare you kill my pet?
Did you also kill your pet though?
Go, go.
Last Christmas.
Last Mexico, I ate tortilla, and the very next day,
Avocado, not.
I had diabetes. This year, to save me from diabetes, I'll give the tortilla to someone.
What diabetes?
So, last Mexico, I ate tortilla.
Oh my god.
I saw a bunch of wolves. This year, to save me from tears, I'm gonna cook it.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god!
Timmy.
Cook it for myself.
Oh my gosh, that was so close.
This Mexico, to save me from Mexico. Last Mexico, I ate a burrito, and then the very next day, I had diabetes. Oh,
I have a avocado.
come on, go wait, be careful! There's a secret traitor on our team. Oh, free fuel! Wait, I actually wait. Furniture. We can probably. Ooh.
But that's kind of useless.
Timmy, why you have $0? You're so broke.
Oh, I found coal.
It's good.
Guys, I found some coal.
But that's useful.
Nice.
Never mind.
We should probably get to like
But there's nothing
to the trading post.
in here. Okay.
I don't, the only thing I got was coal.
It's nighttime.
No, it's not.
Well, it's
No, it's not. It's 2 p.m.
it's still close to nighttime. But okay.
No,
No,
it's not. It's only 2 p.m.
I got some fuel, coal. Wait,
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
no, wait, I got something to sell. No, Timmy!
Sorry.
I'm gonna go sell my stuff. Guys, wait for me. And then we're gonna go to
What
town.
kind of stuff do you
Okay.
even have? Okay. Hello there, zombie
Choo-choo.
buddy. Oh, yep. Did you get your
Okay, let's go.
$5? That is very...
I only got 5. Wait.
I'm
Wait,
gonna
It's only
shoot.
2 p.m. I mean 2 a.m.
It's 9 p.m. 9 p.m. dude. I told you.
Oh gosh.
Vincent, go.
You know what? Let's just no. Let's stay here. Let's stay here.
What do you mean?
Let's stay here because we don't want to waste.
Okay, guys.
What? What?
We're going to the next save zone in 5,000
Oh, you're a
meters.
wolf.
Alright, guys.
I don't care. I don't care. Let's go to the new save zone.
Ammo. Yeah, this is definitely.
Guys, I hear. Oh gosh, you're the wolf.
Oh, and there's also
We do
vampires.
not care.
Vampires.
Oh shoot. You guys can get him.
Hefna. Hefna.
No, we can't. They're too far away.
I don't want to be over there. I don't want to be over there. There's a
Yeah, me neither.
and a sheriff and a gunsmith.
Yeah.
Dang it! No, that's bad time. No, we could have gotten another gun.
Yeah, Kevin.
Yeah, but it's blood moon because vampires.
Timmy!
I know.
Okay, we're almost at the next safe zone, so we can just stay there for the whole entire day.
And then Timmy will get some new sleep.
She.
Alright.
The thing is, okay, we can sell the vampires. If you sell a vampire, that you earn like 15 money.
That's it?
Oh yeah.
Vampires.
And I will
Where
buy
are
like
you, vampires?
Vampire boy!
Vampires, where are you? I need.
Oh, I hear shooting! Where is it?
Oh, I hear.
Where is it at? I hear shooting!
in your mom. It's in your mom's house, Timmy.
That's not funny at all!
Oh, we can sell it. We can sell it. We can sell it.
I got one.
That was not funny at all! I hear shit. Okay, I hear shit.
Oh, I got him. Got another one.
No, that's the vampire.
Just put it over there. Put in the training area.
No, when it's morning, I will sell them.
Okay, fine.
If I see a vampire, I want to get one. Oh, I see a vampire.
I want one. Give me some money.
Oh, it's there.
Wait, check outside the boundaries to see if there's any vampires.
Oh yeah.
Like, check out outside here.
I don't see no one. Okay, I have $35.
I can actually get some more ammo for my gun.
No, I want because I want to buy a gun also.
I need ammo. I only have 6 ammo in this gun.
Yeah, this guy is smart. He needs more ammo.
Okay.
Wait, I want to see if there's any more vampires that we missed.
Victor, can you buy like 1 pack of ammo?
I want to get bandages.
But you can buy one.
I'm gonna buy 1 bandage.
I know it's your ammo, Timmy.
Dirty ammo.
Okay, let me go buy some bandages.
Oh, yeah, one for each of us. One for each of us.
Can someone buy another one? Okay.
Nah, I need one.
Also,
Yeah.
So I just wasted all my money.
Didn't Miguel also get another one?
Yeah.
I got one.
Okay.
We all have one.
I want to save my money. I want to save my money for
Okay,
for-
guys.
for-
Let's go to the next destination.
Okay, let's do this. Wait. Do we need fuel?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. Let's go buy another house.
I need to search the boundaries horses, or anything to fuel up. Guys,
Oh, gosh.
there's some yonders over there.
bounty.
Yonders over there.
It's unwanted. Oh, okay.
Should we go for that?
Maybe not.
No.
Maybe not because they're a little
Keep
bit
going.
too far.
But
They're
we're
too
getting
far.
running out of fuel.
That's why you need to buy a house. Oh my gosh.
Why did you make me buy? What? You could have bought a charcoal.
Yeah, Kevin. Oh wait. Shut up.
No,
Oh wait, I should have bought coal.
Kevin, I mean Miguel, you could have bought
I only
charcoal.
had $15. Don't blame me.
It's
Wait,
fine. It's
wait.
fine. There's another house there.
Wait for me.
Oh shoot.
Okay, whatever. I don't like those vampires.
Wait. Wait. Who wants to drive next?
Well, I'm closest.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey, guys, there's a
wait for me. Wait for me.
village over there.
Oh wait, I see a nearby city.
Yeah, I know. Oh, really? Yeah, I know. It's a village.
Valuable.
Ooh.
Yes,
We
sir.
must find the mayor of that town.
Getting
So
a
we
lot of
can,
money.
We're getting a lot of money,
Oh, wait, can I have
money, guys.
can I have some valuables because I was
Yeah.
okay. Thank
Oh
you,
wait. No, that's for mine.
bruh. You're so mean.
Wait. Vincent, stop there. Let me get. Yeah. You can get that one. Shoot. Yeah.
Okay. I'll get the statue.
Okay, time to
Yeah,
burn.
yeah,
So
it's like
time to
5
burn
seconds.
some bodies.
Wait. Who has fuel?
I have fuel.
Okay, we should head to the
fuel.
village because I heard if we like get
Ah, there you
if we
go.
kill
That's
the
for
mayor
fuel.
of the town.
That's for fuel.
If we
That's
kill
for
the mayor
fuel
of the
right
town,
Oh,
you
shoot, never mind.
if you
Okay.
kill the mayor of
Those
the
are
town.
valuable. Why are valuable?
I know. Okay, now go.
If we kill the
What?
mayor of the
Wait,
town,
do you
they'll
see a
give you the
nearby
code.
What? Hey,
You
what?
see a nearby?
If you kill the mayor of the town, you get a code
I
to get access to base.
invade this village. So we can
Let's
actually
do
get
this,
a
What's
guys.
up, mother
Go to the
truckers?
nearest stop. Okay, go to the nearest stop. Let's invade this whole village.
Got him. Some more zombies.
I can probably shoot someone.
Timmy,
Dude, we must find the
Timmy,
base.
you know
We
you
must find a
find
nearby
one.
base.
Yes, I know I
Guys,
got.
let's travel together. We must
Give me
travel.
the zombie bodies.
Stick
Give me
together.
the zombie
Guys, stick
bodies.
together.
Okay, let's go. We need a
Ooh,
bank
loot.
guy. We need a bank guy.
Okay, guys,
One more.
we're in
Oh, God.
danger. Okay, guys, we're
Timmy.
in danger. Oh God.
Got him.
Oh God.
Got him.
Okay, we're raiding this. This is a shootout.
Oh my gosh. Coal.
Oh,
Coal.
there's a zombie. How dare you? That's me.
Ow.
Oh my God.
Victor, help me.
Oh my God.
Help me. Oh, I can get
Okay, you don't need to heal.
Oh, bro.
It's
Oh,
only-
shoot,
you get-
I'm full.
I'm full.
Yeah, me too. I'm full.
There's a gold thing. There's a gold thing.
There's a go. Oh, get out! Get out! Get out!
Okay.
Ow! Oh, are you?
Guys, go.
Guys, let's just stay here.
Get out of
Get
here!
the fuel.
I have all the fuel.
No, heal.
Oh, wait, there's a turret here. Oh, wait, there's a
Timmy,
turret
heal.
here. I know, wait, there's a turret
Timmy,
here.
heal. Timmy,
I
heal.
know. Oh, you get the turret though. It's too dark out here, so needs to drive.
No,
Timmy.
no, let's just stay here.
Timmy.
Let's stay here. Let's stay here.
Bandages. Timmy, you need those bandages.
I know.
Oh, shoot.
Okay, get.
We need.
A vampire.
I know. Get in.
It's not a vampire. That's
Okay,
a
we need to
zombie.
get out of here. We need to get out of
Oh,
here.
I thought we were going
I
to.
need to get away for a bit. I need to get away for a bit. Oh God. No. I'm so screwed. I am so screwed. Oh my God. So screwed. Oh my God. Get this.
Oh, what the?
Okay, don't revive Timmy.
Why is it? No,
Guys,
it's so dope.
wait.
Why is it having a lot of zombies? Why does it have a lot of zombies?
Why is the zombie driving the train?
Why is the zombie?
The worst thing had to happen.
Why is the zombie
No,
driving?
you don't-
Bruh.
No, how did we all die? Okay, play again. Play again with same team.
Oh, come on.
Oh wait, I can still drive. Wait, I can still drive.
Okay, and play again.
Okay. This is the outro. If you new here, please like and subscribe.